Guys, welcome back to the Powerstroke YouTube channel. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. We're back. It's been a minute. We're doing some Powerstroke upgrades here. We're gonna try something new today. We're doing a little bit of test and tune. I won't say tune so much, but test. So S&B closed style intake. We're putting a big open one on it. I want to hear that big turbo scream. So as always, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for y'all sticking around. And yeah, let's get after it. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerrick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. 2 years ago, I put this S&B intake on this truck, right, on this Joan. And the 17 and 19 Super Duties have the battery here and the intake back here. So S&B makes the relocation kit. They give you a new tray. Woo! Give you a new tray for your battery, reroute some cables, stuff like that. So, in this kit that I bought, it comes with a whole new tray. It comes with all that jazz, but we don't need that because it's already been rerouted. We just need the intake itself. And then, this intake here, I am giving to my good buddy Shane Diesel, and we're going to put it on his 17. So, we're doing some testing here, guys. Do you guys like the closed style intake, or do you like the big open one? I want to hear this S363 bark like my dog. Woof! Where you at, Peaches? Brr! Oh yeah. So we're throwing it on here. I'm gonna throw you some statistics here in a little bit as well. It seems like this is more of an efficient intake compared to the open style one, but we'll be the judge of that. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of show you taking this off. This is not a full install video for the relocation. I have that video already done. I'd say about 2 years ago. I'll put the link in the description if you want to watch that full video, but we're going to throw this Joan on as long as Peaches approves. Oh yeah, stretch it out, baby. We're going to throw it on, and yeah, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Guys, I can't believe how massive. I can't even get in on that. Let me go 0.5 real quick. This thing is huge. Huge intake. Holy smokes. So the cool thing is if you guys are like me and you do want to upgrade your current S&B closed style, you're basically taking all of this out. The battery tray, I did all that hard work a couple years ago. And all we're doing is adding a bracket to support this right here. And basically, you could sell your old intake, you know? So it's a little cut and dry. I'm just going to put a time lapse on taking this off. Nothing too crazy. And we'll show you throwing the new one on. And yeah, so sick, man. I'm so excited. Don't get on me on my maintenance. I know filter is filthy, but just look at the girth of this daddy compared to this one. Golly, brother, that's a big old B word right there, man. But anyway, guys, you're just taking. You got 4 13 millis in there, a couple 8 millis on that, and this bad John is coming out. So as you can see, like I said before, this is all S&B stuff right here done. So all I'm doing is adding this bracket in with the grommet on it, which you will have to insert for the new intake to mount to, and that's it. We're plug and play. We're cut and dry. We're in and out like a robbery, baby. So, yeah. Just got to see, because this is slotted, so I don't know where. Kind of got to leave them. I mean, I can't leave them loose. Well, I don't know if I can leave them loose. We'll see. I put the filter on afterwards, but we'll see where this lands. So, yeah. We're going to show you once this intake's on here in a minute. Guys, holy smokes. This John is huge, man. And also, maybe I'll look at the instructions, but I'm pretty sure the hood's going to close. But I mean, yeah, it should be all right. But golly, brother, this thing is thick with 3 C's, dog. Super easy install. Again, if you already have done the previous work I did. If not, you'll be here for maybe a couple hours, but, you know. So, yeah, guys, we're going to do a little sound clip for you. And we're going to do a little test drive, see what's going on with that. And then I have to look, I have written down somewhere, I believe this one is 52% efficiency. Hold on, let me be right back. So again, the airflow improvement on this one, it's around 54%. The closed style is 57%, so that is a higher number. This one's at 99.19% efficiency, and this one's at 99.57 efficiency. So this does seem to be better number-wise on their website, but we're gonna give her the old test and tune here, see how we like it. And also do not forget about your mass airflow sensor. You got a spacer, plastic one, you got a little grommet, gasket goes underneath of that, and plug that John in. So let's do a little sound test, guys. A little sound clip. Favorite sound right here. Y'all hear that? That ball bearing just. What you think, Miss Peaches? You like it? I think it sounds sick, guys. So let's go for a drive. Go for a drive. Sucking that air, Daddy. Might be too much, I don't know. I mean, we'll see if she lights. She lights right now. All right, y'all. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Not too much of an install since I had already done the majority of the heavy hitting work prior to this video. So yeah, big open intake. What are your guys' thoughts of this? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you like the closed style? Do you like the open? Truck runs pretty good. Just went for a few hot laps around the block, you know. And yeah, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you. More content coming soon. Powerstroke related, as always. Well, I can't say as always, but you know, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Deuce.